Hey friends, if you wish to clear the clipboard on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I'll tell you about two solutions and we'll stick to these. Now the first one is through command prompt. We have a command here, echo space off space. I just copy this one, okay? Space clip. So you just copy paste it, otherwise you won't find this symbol. And then search for command prompt. Open the normal command prompt, not the elevated one. Paste it here and hit enter, and the clipboard has been cleared. Simple. And the second one is even easier. It's through Windows settings. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, go to clipboard on the right pane, select clipboard, and then I usually don't want the clipboard histories, that's why I keep it turned off. But if you have it on, then you can simply click on clear here. Now it's grayed out because I just cleared the clipboard history. But let's say I copy something. Okay, I'll copy this. Then this button won't be grayed out anymore, and I can click on clear and the clipboard history has been cleared. If it's grayed out, that means there's nothing in the clipboard. If it is available, then it means that there was something in the clipboard. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.